Hello, Assalamu alaikum. If this is your first visit, please like my video and subscribe my channel because I solve every single question for you on daily basis.
How do you do? Today we start question number 7. Before we start question number 7, I recommend to watch my video on divisibility test in which I describe in-depth detail about divisibility test. I provide link of that video in description or also in I button. Question number 7 is nothing but only application of divisibility test. Let us start. Question number 7. Without actual division, state whether each of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 5 or 11.
105 is not divisible by 2 because it does not contain at unit place any multiple of 2. Therefore, it does not divisible by 2. 105 is divisible by 3 because the sum of digits is equal to 6 and 6 is the multiple of 3. This means 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 105 is divisible by 3. 105 is divisible by 5 because its unit place contain 5. 105 is not divisible by 6 because it is not a even number. It does not pass the first test of divisibility by 6.
Divisible by 11 because difference of sum of alternate digits is not equal to 0 or 11. These are alternate 1 and 5, 0 and whatever. If there is any number, we will add up that number. This is not divisible by 11 because it does not pass the test. Let's consider second part. 997 is not divisible by 2 because its unit digit is not divisible by 2. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 2. It is also not divisible by 3 because the digit sum is not multiple of 3. It is also not divisible by 5 because its n digit is not equal to 0 or 5. It is also not divisible by 6 because it is a not even number. If this number is not even, then we do not proceed second test. Therefore, we leave it here and we say that it is not divisible by 997 is also not divisible by 11 because the sum of alternate digits, difference of sum of alternate digits is not equal to 0 or multiple of 11. Therefore, this is not divisible by 11. Consider part number 3. 2091 is not divisible by 2 because it does not contain any digit, any multiple of 2. Therefore, this is not divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 3 because the add up of digits is equal to 12, and the 12 is a multiple of 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is divisible by 3. 2091 is not divisible by 5 because its unit place is not contain 5 or 0. Therefore, it is not divisible by 5. 2091 is also not divisible by 6 because it is not an even number. Does not fulfill the first condition. The number must be even, and also the sum of digits must be equal to 3. The number does not fulfill first condition, therefore we leave it there and not proceed. This number is also not divisible by 11 because the difference of sum of alternate digits is not equal to 0 and multiple of 11. Consider part number 4. 2730 is divisible by 2 because it is contained at unit place 0, which is divisible by 2. Therefore, this is divisible by 2. This number is also divisible by 3 because the add up digits are equal to 12, and 12 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, this is divisible by 3. This number 2730 also divisible by 5 because the unit place digit is 0. Therefore, this is the condition that if the unit place digit is 0 and 5, the number must be divisible by 5, and 2730 divisible by 5. This number is also divisible by 6 because this number is even, and also it fulfills the second condition. The sum of digits is equal to 12, which is multiple of 3. Hence, 2730 is divisible by 6. This number is not divisible by 11 because difference of sum of alternate digits is not equal to 0 and multiple of 11. Therefore, this is not divisible by 11.
Part number 5. 1331 is not divisible by 2 because its unit place is not contain any multiple of 2. This number also does not divide. This number also not divisible by 3 because its sum of digit is not divisible by 3. This is not divisible by 5 because it is not contain 0 or 5 at unit place. This number is also not divisible by 6 because it is an odd number. At unit place there is odd digit, therefore it is odd number, therefore it does not fulfill the first condition. We do not perform second test because it does not fulfill the first test. The number 1331 is divisible by 11 because difference of the sum of its alternate digits is equal to 0. Therefore, this unit is passed the test, and it is divisible by 11.